Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels pointless. Still it happens every night. You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It'd be so hard to quit, but every night that we explode, wish I could walk out that door. Hate that I need ya. Yeah. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes, cause you keep playing with matches. Hate that I want ya. Yeah. Running out of second chances. Whoa, you keep taking me for granted. Whoa, cause I don't wanna do this any longer, but somehow it's too hard to walk away now. Nah, 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 nah. Light a cigarette like you know nothing. It's the price I have to pay. There's something in your text that's got me crawling. Not sure I want it any other way. You know what I mean, love? Now aren't you sick of this? You don't wanna live us. It'd be too hard to leave out on all the nights we keep fighting in the taxi. I hate that I need ya. Hate that I need ya. Yeah, all I ever wanted was to make us work, cause I don't wanna spend my life without you. Nothing else matters when you say my name. I just want you. Running out of seconds.